What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install dual USB ports in your back seats, the way your passengers can charge their devices. So without further ado, let's do this. To start out, you're going to want to remove both screws as shown. To get the door panel off, you're going to want to remove all clips that surround the door, and then you can lift it up. Before you completely remove the panel, you want to get the two latches out, as well as you want to get the electrical connector for the window out. Before you begin to drill, I found it easier if you use some type of highlighter or a Sharpie to outline where you're going to drill. You're going to want to do the same thing for both your power wire and your ground wire. You're going to want to cut it in half, split both ends, then after you split the ends, you're going to want to take your 18 gauge wire, tie it to one end, and then you want to crimp them together as shown, and you want to do that for both. Once you do that, on the other side of the 18 gauge wire, you're going to want to attach either your power wire or your ground wire depending on which one you're working on. Once you have finished wiring, you're going to want to plug the negative and positive into the back of your USB port. Tape up all your excess wire, and then you can start putting your door panel back together. You're going to want to plug in your electrical connector for your window, as well as the 2 latches that go for the lock and the door, and then you can put your door back on. Once you get your door panel on, you're going to want to put back in the 2 screws behind the handle and in the holder. Then you can put any additional coverage you may have had on the screws. Alright guys, that is it for this video. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!